Hey, this is Dr. Roberts with your Health in 60 Seconds. I want to talk to you about PRP for actually breast lifts. So PRP stands for Platelet Rich Plasma, and it's actually a derivative of your own blood. So what we do is we draw your blood and we separate it into its components, and we take out the very thin layer that has the platelets in it, which contain growth factors and other healing proteins. When we inject this into the breast, it actually restores the volume and restores the shape and contour of the breast as it was originally. Now, just to be clear, this is not breast augmentation. This tends to restore what you already had. And it's a great non-invasive way to restore breast tissue and restore the look that you had at one time. We've had great success at our clinic with these types of procedures, and I encourage you to look it up on your own. So that's your Health in 60 Seconds.